Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete applications or programs from your Mac. There are two different ways of doing it, and I'm going to show you how to do both of them. Watch the video. Today, we're going to delete Edge. That's right, Microsoft Edge. You can see that it's currently still running. In order to delete it, we need to fully quit it. So, I'll close the window, right-click on the dock, and select Quit. Next, we're opening up the Finder. Go to your applications from the menu on the left-hand side. In here, you can find all the applications that are currently installed on your Mac. Let's find Microsoft Edge. Select Microsoft Edge and then right-click on it. You can move it to the bin from here, which is one way of deleting it, or you can hold down on the app and drag it to the bin icon in your dock. My Mac asks me for a password to allow this to action, but yours might not. It depends on your settings. Let's have a look at the bin. You can see that Microsoft Edge is sitting here. And to fully delete it from my Mac, I just empty the bin and that's it. The application is gone. I'll show you this in Launchpad. Let's type in Edge. And yep, it's gone. Now let's have a look at another way of deleting an application from your Mac. So here we are, Microsoft Edge is installed and on the dock. First, I'll click on the Apple symbol on the top left corner and then on About this Mac. Then I'll go to More Info. You'll be taken to the General tab on your system settings. On here, scroll down to the storage settings and click on it. It might take a few seconds to load up this information. The Mac is calculating how much storage space is taken. Once it's been loaded, click on Applications. In this window, you can once again see all the applications that are currently installed on your Mac and how much storage they're taking up. I'm going to select Microsoft Edge and then click on Delete. It once again asks me for a password to confirm this, but as I said, it might not happen to you. I'll click OK, and Microsoft Edge is gone. I'll click Done. And I'll show you once again in the Launchpad that there is no sight of Microsoft Edge anywhere on my Mac. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.